Hello everybody, welcome back to the workshop. So today I'm going to be roughing out some tong blanks. I'm going to be drawing out some handle reins under the power hammer, my main shop power hammer, because it's got good drawing dies on it. I'm going to be drawing out some tong blanks for some upcoming videos on how to make some different types of tongs. So I hope everybody will enjoy this little video. We're going to just go and do a little short time lapse, and then I'll be right back with you. Thanks for watching. Okay everybody, so I hope you enjoyed that short little time lapse there of me working on the power hammer, homemade power hammer. Just to point a few things out here, so I got 4 pairs of Tong Reins drawn out under the power hammer in the time that I've been working at this. The speed of this has been about 30x. So kind of just give you a little bit of an ideal. It's 30 times whatever you saw there that it took. I think it took about 30 minutes or so, a little over a minute and a half, so well, a little longer than 30 minutes then I guess it would be. Probably about 45 minutes or so to do that under the power hammer. But here's a good point to place out here. So, maintenance is a must. It happens to them all. You have to take and fix them from time to time. But anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you all for watching it. And, we will catch you on the next one.